Building a Better Philippines Incorporated. I, recognizing the importance of empowerment, community development, and nation building, hereby pledge my commitment to uphold the values of integrity, service and dedication to a better Philippines. As an individual member, I commit to actively participating in initiative that promote leadership, education, and civic engagement. I will advocate for causes that uplift communities and contribute to the national progress while sharing my knowledge, skills, and resources to strengthen our collective efforts with transparency, accountability, and innovation as my guiding principle. I vow to support and sustain meaningful programs that create lasting positive change in our society. With this pledge, I affirm my dedication to being responsible, engaged member, working toward a brighter future for all. Together we stand, united in our goal of empowering Filipinos sa bagong Pilipinas. Help us God. Congratulations sa inyong sarili. Congratulations po ang member of KBP.
Pangalan nyo, name nyo, tapos ito,
Mayroon dali na mo. Minsan matuna. Sige. Ano ba?
may mga lapis po.
Bong, anak kong Bong.
Ay, ano po?
Pinapanood ko yan.